We are surrounded by 4 countries. United States will not leave it this way to India or Pakistan. Our effort therefore should be that let the people of Kashmir come out of the frying, let not the people of Kashmir come out of the frying pan and fall into the fire. That's important. That should be the effort. आसमान से गिरा और खजूर में अटका. My apprehension is that Kashmir is likely to remain in chains, though in a different form. What is needed in the meanwhile is that understand the point what is happening this time. NHPC has so far looted 1,516 megawatts of power here. Less than negligible percentage which they have given to the state. NHPC has on its anvil now 7 projects amounting to 2,818 megawatts of power they are trying to loot from Kashmir. Yes. Should this be permitted? Let this august body give a deep thought on this issue. Number 2, Farooq Abdullah Sahab is now the Minister of exploitation of resources. No. Now understand. He will obviously follow what his bureaucratic command will propose. What is bureaucratic command will propose? Keep eye on that. For the past more than 60 years, Kashmir affairs have remained under bureaucratic command. And we see draconian laws in Kashmir. Discrimination in allotment of funds between Muslim-dominated and Hindu-dominated regions. Massacre of Muslims by overt and audacious means. Rape, loot, destruction, non-stop shutdowns, crackdowns, undeclared curfews and their commercial impact on Kashmir. Massacre of Sikhs at Chiti Singhpura, an attempt to create a rift between Sikhs and Muslims. This is bureaucratic command, what they are doing. Let this august body give a deep thought on this issue. Should Indian bureaucrats be permitted to continue creating a havoc in Kashmir? Thank you very much.
Stay true to your words. You finished in 5 minutes. So we do have about 5 minutes for questions. I will again not intrude on the questions. But I mean, rather than comments, I would like questions to be asked of the speakers. Any questions? We have 5 minutes for questions.
My question or the presentation by Rajyam. There is a theory in international relations that nations naturally pursue their self-interest. This theory of political realism has been used to predict how nations will act rather than how nations ought to act. Going by in this theory, between the expect that American interest in Kashmir goes beyond their vital geopolitical interests in Afghanistan and Pakistan border. Contrary to what Mr. Rajyam wants us to believe, Americans are currently pursuing their time-tested policy of containment, which in essence means a global status quo policy which they have successfully tried, historically speaking, in different parts of the world. The renewed interest of the US in the region needs to be evaluated against this backdrop, and once the Americans find that their strategic interests in Afghanistan and Pakistan border are fulfilled, they shall leave us to our own fate. Thank you.
I didn't detect a question, so...
It's a comment.
One question.
I have an observation. Actually, I'm not pinpointing towards anybody, but
But the thing is, like, since the session started, we have been pinning hopes on Obama. Obama will do this, Obama will do that. But my observation is like, had Obama, been interested in solving the woes of Muslim world, he would have chosen to go to Egypt, which is not democracy. And last week a statement came that by Obama that the Kashmir issue must be solved bilaterally between India and Pakistan. So I think it has become a worn-out cliche that Obama will help us. Obama, every mess of ours will be told by Obama. Wake up, we have to do something on our own. We cannot pin hopes on Obama. Thank you.
Dr. Javed has a comment.
I fully endorse whatever has been expressed by my sister. Basically, most of the nations after 1948, they got independence irrespective of American opposition. They utilized veto against South Africa's, they used veto against Algeria's independence, they always used vetoes against freedom movements. But irrespective of their support to status quo, hundreds of countries got independence after 1948.
That credit goes to Hitler.
To Hitler,
Credit goes to Hitler.
to so many. So we should not exclusively rely on Americans, whatever America is going to do.
That is true.
Thank you to both the speakers. I just have an observation. I don't have a comment, after which I'll call the session to a close. And that is that what Shaukat talked about, three kinds of Kashmiris: a resistant, a status quoist, and a vacillating Kashmir. It's a very stark observation. I think it's very true. And he also mentioned a manipulated Kashmir over the years. And I think when we talk about manipulation, it is not just in the valley, but other parts of the state as well. So I think what has happened over the years, as someone said, is that the problem has become layered. And it has many, many layers because of the kind of negligence that has been shown regarding its resolution. And somebody has said that you need a political archaeologist in order to unearth the genesis and then everything else that's been added. To me, listening to all the sessions, both the sessions this morning and all the speakers, a question that arises, which I will not expect an answer for, is that if we look at it that way, then the way forward, as is the title of this talk, becomes even that much more difficult to answer. And if I remember correctly, the first Way Forward seminar that I went to was in 1993. It was in New Delhi. And it's interesting that the same title has been repeated over the last so many years. With that, I'll close. I'll thank the audience also for the questions asked and your attention, and have a good lunch.
Thank you very much, sir. We are extremely thankful to Professor Siddique Wahid, Vice Chancellor, Islamic University of Science and Technology, for chairing this session. We are also thankful to Dr. Sheikh Shaukat Hussain, who always loves to hit the nail on the head, and also Mr. Zarji Muhammad for speaking about the regional approach, a way forward. We'll now have our lunch break. Our next session and the final